Do you need a property management company? The answer is yes. My name is Matt Bonas, and I work with Durante Rich Real Estate. My name, phone number, and email address is at the bottom of the screen. That's my cell phone number. Feel free to call me or text me. Please email me, reach out to me if you're looking for property management, looking to invest, buy, sell. I'm licensed in multiple states. Durante Rich Real Estate has been in business since 1998, and we currently manage a portfolio of over 700 properties today. And we've seen some things which is why my answer is yes, you need a property management company. Before we dive into this, quick piece of side advice: never rent to your friends or family. They're going to be the first ones that stop paying rent, make you evict them, and then they're going to trash your property on top of it. Ask plenty of my clients who have come to me. I've dealt with that same situation for them, gotten everything back on track once we get the tenant out, and make their property an actual income producing property again. So let's jump into it. The first reason why you need to hire me is because I'm going to save you a bunch of time. That's going to be the number one reason why people hire me, is because they don't want to spend the time on their income producing property. Let's remember, this is supposed to be passive income. You're supposed to be making the money and not putting a ton of time and effort into it. But if you're attempting to be a do-it-yourself landlord and property manager, then you're going to spend some significant time on your property. Starting from the beginning, you have to advertise your property. You have to get the good pictures, spend some time syndicating your property out there, replying to the inquiries. So you're going to have people calling you, texting you, emailing you. You have to actually reply to them in a timely fashion, schedule showings. You're going to get blown off and ditched when you schedule some showings, and that's just a part of the deal. Then you have to screen these people if they want to apply. You want to properly screen them and read their credit reports and background checks, eviction history, income verification, residential rental history verification. You're going to want to understand what you're looking at. And then you're going to have to do the move-in inspection, make sure rent's collected. You're going to be handling tenant day-to-day activities, all maintenance, late-night phone calls if there's any issues, move-in and move-out inspections. It's really a lot of time. We're going to save you money. We understand that the most important part of this process starts up front with the application process. We do a very thorough application process. We want to make sure we're putting the right person in your property for you, somebody who's going to pay rent on time and take care of it. And then, we're going to save you money on the time that you don't have to spend worrying about getting your property rented. We're going to rent it quicker than you would be able to. We're going to rent it for more money than you would be able to. And then we do everything for you. We always do all of the legwork. There's no additional cost to our maintenance. We facilitate the meetings. We get people over to your property with your tenants, and then everybody's happy at the end of the day, which leads to a high renewal rate. Most of our tenants stay for 3 to 4 years. I believe last year was above 87.5% for us. So it's a high retention rate for our tenants. And then we handle all the upfront work too. There's no startup costs. We advertise your property. We'll handle all of the inquiries and showings. And again, we'll expedite the process for you to get somebody in there quicker. We're going to maximize your monthly income. We're going to take a look at and build a CMA for you. We're going to look at everything that's on the market. We're going to compare the price, make sure you don't leave any money on the table. I have clients today who I literally get hundreds of dollars more per month for them than they were able to get on their own. And we don't have final say on the applicant. You do. We'll break down the entire application and discuss that with you. And as the homeowner, you have the final say. And then we manage all tenant day-to-day activities. As a homeowner or do-it-yourself landlord, if you think once you give the tenant the keys, that's going to be the last you hear of them, it's going to be a smooth tenancy. It may very well be, but out of 700 properties, less than a handful of properties that I know of, don't have anything, where you need to spend a little bit of time on that property at least. Maintenance issues, those are ongoing always. Whether you have a brand new property or a 100-year-old property, things happen, and you're going to need to be responsive and make sure your tenant stays happy. There's an article that just came out in the New Yorker that's attached to this blog. There's a link below. I'm going to see if I can't put the link on my website, Facebook page. It's called The Worst Roommate Ever. And if this doesn't scare a do-it-yourself person or somebody that's thinking about getting into investing in real estate, to make sure that you know tenant laws and landlord laws and real estate law in general, which is where we protect you. So this, if you go through this article, this guy moved around for years. I think it was like a decade. And it was roommate situations, but it's easily applicable to, you renting your house out or your unit out by yourself. And this guy goes through and, he'll find any weird way to cause an issue to not pay rent, and he'll take it all the way to court. He'll actually, at one point, he would let the landlord file an eviction, unlawful detainer action against him in court. And then because he wouldn't have to pay the filing fee, he would piggyback a lawsuit onto that one as a countersuit and, really drag things out. And if you're dealing with people that know the law, it's really great to have somebody that knows what they're doing on your side. So again, I'm licensed in multiple states. Durante Rich Real Estate's been doing this since 1998. Currently have over 700 properties in our management portfolio. If you are a landlord, do-it-yourself landlord, just have some questions, want to kind of pick our brain, we're an open book. I'd love to talk to you. If you have a property that you want us to manage, we'd love to help you out there. If you're an investor, we help you put together investment packages. Give me a call my office. We'd love to talk with you. Shoot us an email. Contact us as in the link below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much and have a great day.